Okay, here's the 1991 Friedrich 12,000 BTU air conditioner that's being thrown away for no reason. I have it on low cool right now, and those of you who wanted more info on this unit, there you have it. Okay, right here it says that it takes 115 volts. Serial number 91F8075777. 29.0 ounces of R22. It's 60 hertz, 10.7 amps, 12,000 BTU. Design for high side 375, low side 150. And there's the date, June of 1991. And there's the evaporator coil. Wow, that's cold. Very cold. Low cool, and it's blowing ice cold. That's cold. Excuse me for a second. I gotta put this back on. Excuse me. There you go. Look at this old sucker go. Open the window to give you the outside view. There's the outside of it. Full depth video of this unit. There you can see the other side. This is one of the best units ever made by Friedrich, or Friedrich, or whichever you pronounce it. Oops. Oh. So yeah, this 22 years old, and it's still going strong. Here's high. Here's the vent. There you have it, a full depth video of this 1991 Friedrich 12,000 BTU air conditioner. And I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this video, air conditioner guy and Comp Dude 957. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. Shut her down. Listen to the refrigerant flow. Alright, hope you enjoyed.